How to install a PoolSync Wi-Fi controller with an autopilot ChlorSync. Installing a PoolSync Wi-Fi controller is a simple process that can be completed in less than an hour using a few basic hand tools. Before starting the installation, verify that there is a good Wi-Fi signal at the pool equipment location by using your cell phone. Make sure you have the correct network and are not picking up one of the neighbor's networks. The PoolSync Wi-Fi controller is very powerful, so if you see 1 or 2 bars on your phone, then you're good to go. If you're not getting a good Wi-Fi signal, you may need to relocate your router, or speak to your internet provider about installing an extender or mesh network. Once the wiring and connection process is complete, you can use the built-in RSSI or signal strength indicator in the PoolSync app to find the ideal mounting location. We recommend waiting until you are Wi-Fi connected before permanently mounting the PoolSync Wi-Fi controller. If you are connecting additional PoolSync ready devices, like an AquaCal heat pump, take a moment to view our video, connecting multiple devices to a PoolSync Wi-Fi controller, before proceeding any further. The following should only be attempted by qualified persons that have the knowledge and experience to properly work with and test live electrical circuits. To complete this installation, you will need an electrical test meter, an electric or cordless drill, a 3/16" masonry drill bit, a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver with a 1/8" tip, a pair of pliers, a pencil, a few tie wraps, and, if you have it, a small level. It will be helpful, but it's not absolutely necessary. Turn off power to the ChlorSync. Remove the ChlorSync cover and verify that power is off using a voltmeter. Remove one of the small plastic grommets and install the strain relief connector provided with the PoolSync. Route the wire through the fitting and tighten. Remove the 4-pin connector and attach the wires to the correct terminals as indicated on the control board. Make sure the wires are inserted properly and are not shorted. Double check that the connections are properly tightened and the connector is properly aligned and pushed all the way onto the board. Replace the cover and restore power. When the unit is powered, the lights on the PoolSync will come on momentarily, and then the top light will turn green and blink slowly. If you've not already downloaded the PoolSync app, go ahead and visit the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store to download it now. Open the app and tap on the gear icon. Select Add New PoolSync, and then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection process. The PoolSync should automatically find your ChlorSync chlorinator. If it doesn't, you may need to close and restart the app, or tap the 3 dots at the top right corner, and scroll down and tap Discover Attached Equipment. Once connected, you can use the integrated signal strength indicator to determine the best mounting location for the PoolSync. Tap the 3 dots at the top of the page, and look for the RSSI or signal strength indicator. Hold the antenna at the desired mounting location while watching the signal strength. The number displayed will update every minute or so be patient. Look for a mounting location with a good or excellent signal strength. If your signal is fair or poor, you could experience occasional disconnects or erratic operation, so try to find a better mounting location. To mount the PoolSync, make sure the device is level and mark the mounting screw locations. For concrete or stucco, drill 3/16 holes using a masonry bit. Carefully hand tighten the screws, secure any excess wire, and you're all set. For more information, check out the installation manual available at aquacal.com or contact AquaCal's customer support department at 800-878-0998.